Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you the best YouTube TV series. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV, and then from here, the first thing that I'm going to tell you is that it would depend on which area that you have set here on YouTube TV. So you can click here on your profile in the top right and click on settings, because from here, you would only be limited into the area right here that you are currently in. So for example, I'm in New York, so I wouldn't be able to view the series that is available for other home areas, like that is very far away from me. So I'm only able to see the series that is available in the United States or in New York. So now let's go back into YouTube TV, and I'll give you my personal recommendations. And from here, let's just go down, and then we can see the shows, and then basically we can see the series right here. And you can actually go and scroll down more, and then you would be able to see more series, but I'm gonna go and recommend something right here. What I like about this is the Big Bang Theory. This is my personal favorite right here. I just like how the humor of this one, and basically the science stuff also, because I'm able to learn something right here. So I really like this one. And then from here, it's also Friends right here. I also like that. And also here in the Equalizer, I like how the action of this movie is being presented. Yeah, this is just my cup of tea, you know that. So yeah, I think the Equalizer would be a great one for you if you are into action and so on right here, and you would have a lot more. And of course, Shark Tank right here, this is a really great one, because yeah, I think this is a very popular one right here. This is a very popular one, especially among those business aficionados and whatsoever right here. But Shark Tank is a really great series, even if for some entertainment right here. So yeah, I find it entertaining when I watch Shark Tank right here. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.